So systems of inequalities. Okay? So y is greater than or equal to x squared minus 1. We want to just sketch of this. And how do we do this? Good practice. So this I know is a parabola. It's a quadratic equation. It's not it's a quadratic inequality, so it's going to look like a parabola, the sketch of it. What I want to do is, if we factor it, we get x plus 1, x minus 1. So we get x is equal to negative 1, x is equal to 1. This represents our zeros. So our zeros. I know that we're going to have zeros at negative 1 and 1. So we just put in our negative 1 and put in our 1. I want to find a turning point. How do I find a turning point? How do I find a turning point? I use the equation negative b over 2a. Because remember, if we just first sketch, if I had the zeros and I had a turning point and I know the way parabola is going, I know that this is an open face, it's a smiley face, it's a positive parabola. So I know the way that one's going, so I could sketch that using this information, so negative b over 2a. In this case, b is 0, so our turning point is going to be 2 times 1. So that's our x value. To find our x value is 0. So our x value is 0. You say, well, how do I find the turning point? I plug in that 0 into our original equation. So we say that 0 squared minus 1 is equal to y. So 0 squared minus 1 is equal to negative 1. So negative 1. So our turning point, therefore, is 0, negative 1. Here's 0, here's negative 1. And there is our parabola. Okay, that's just a sketch of it. That's perfectly legal. But it's an inequality, so we have to represent our solution area. How do I do that? I test a point. Either we're going to be here or we're going to be out here. Here or here. So then this is the new thing we want to test.